Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G Stylus 2023 version. So Motorola has announced the Moto G Stylus, so this is the newer one here. So it's coming out May 5th. Today is May 3rd when I'm recording this video here. So if you guys are looking to get a budget smartphone with a stylus pen, the Moto G Stylus is the phone for you. Of course, this one has 5G on it, obviously. So that's what the phone looks like there, front and back. Let's take a look at it here. So you guys got the front here, your whole punch, your front facing camera there. Power button and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. And you guys see the stylus pen right there. You're pretty much basic generic stylus pen there, so keep that in mind. Then on the back of the Moto G Stylus is your dual camera setup, camera flash, Motorola logo there on the back. Here's the close look at the back here. Dual cameras, camera flash, Motorola logo there on the back. Stylus pen right there on the side that is chilling. Power button, volume keys on the right side of the phone. There's the front of the phone there. You guys got your hole punch with your front facing camera there. Air piece above that. Power button, volume keys on the right side of the phone. Here's the back of it here in a different color. So like I said, dual camera setup, camera flash, your Motorola logo there on the back. And then on the right side, like I said, power button, volume key. So yeah. So y'all got some watch this video if you guys are interested. It says when inspiration strikes, write naturally with the built-in stylus, perfect for navigating, highlighting, editing, or completing any task that requires pinpoint precision. And with Moto Note, you can start writing without needing to unlock your phone. Magic in a moment. Capture beauty in any light with the 50 megapixel camera system. Snapshots become portraits, close-up shots are more detailed, and low light shots come out sharp and bright. You guys can see right there. Quad pixel technology there on the cameras. Through the lens. Instant versatility. Day or night, your camera is ready to capture your subject in the right light. Quad pixel technology combines 4 pixels into 1 for increased lighting sensitivity. Look closer, see your subject up close and capture tiny details a standard lens would miss. Adjust your focus for a professional look. Add background blur to turn a snapshot or a selfie into a beautiful portrait. Split perspective. Capture yourself and your subject by shooting on 2 cameras at the same time, so your reaction can be part of the action. Alright, so it has a dual capture feature, which is really cool. The night is yours. Bring more details out of the dark and take vivid photos on both the rear and selfie cameras. Your images come out bright and clear even in low light conditions. Alright. Be ready for anything. Go up to 2 days on a single charge of the high capacity 5,000 mAh battery. So there you go. Has a big ass battery in it, so you guys get great battery life on here. Audio, visual excitement that you guys can see there. It has deeper clarity. Sound is better through powerful stereo speakers, stereo soundscape, similar quality Dolby Atmos audio enhancement, brighter, broader details, fluid 6.5-inch HD plus display with the 90Hz refresh rate, smoother scrolling, browse and play with less lag and more speed. So yeah, it does have an HD display, so it's pretty decent display there. So yeah, not bad, it's decent, More features. Keep what's yours. With up to 128 GB of built-in and up to 1 TB of external storage, you will have plenty of space to store all your stuff. Your phone, your experience. With My UX, control your phone with simple gestures, customize your entertainment settings, and create a look that's all you. Effortless safety with Android 13. So it has Android 13 on board. It should get Android 14 at some point, because Android 14 will be out later this year, so it should get that at some point. Improved privacy features and a reimagined UI gives you more control over your smartphone experience, so you can keep your focus where you want it. Specs: it has Android 13, like I just mentioned. It should get Android 14 at some point. It has a MediaTek Helio G85 processor, up to 2 GHz octa-core processor, and a Mali G52 GPU. Fingerprint reader, which I guess is in-display fingerprint, I guess. And you have Face Unlock as well. It has 64 GB of storage, 1 TB of microSD expansion. Your sensors: it has proximity, ambient light, accelerometer, gyroscope, SAR sensor, magnetometer, barometer, fingerprint reader, and sensor hub. It has 4 GB of RAM. Battery 5000 mAh, 15 watt charging. 15 watt charging. I don't think it has wireless charging. It doesn't mention nothing about wireless charging, so I doubt it has wireless charging. So y'all guys will get 15 watt fast charging on here, up to 2 days of battery life. Display 6.5 inches HD plus. That is IPS display, 90Hz refresh rate, HD plus, 720 by 1600 pixel resolution, 20 by 9 aspect ratio. Screen to body ratio is 93.71%. Design there, digital dimensions and all that. I wish it was in height, depth, and length. Oh, I wish it was in height, width, and depth, but it's not. This phone weighs 195 grams. It has a water repellent design. It's not waterproof, guys, so don't submerge your phone in water. It has a headphone jack, which is very nice to see, and it has a Type-C charging port, which is standard nowadays. It has 2 color options. You guys have a midnight blue color and a Glam pink color, which looks very nice in my personal opinion. It looks kind of like a whitish silverish color in my opinion. But indeed, you guys have 2 color options. If you guys get the unlock Moto G stylus, you guys will get 2 color options. If you guys get it from a carrier, you guys will only get 1 color option. That is most likely the midnight blue color option there if you buy it from a carrier. But if you buy it from the website, from Motorola's website itself, you guys will have 2 color options to choose from. So there you go. Camera is a 50 megapixel main camera with 8.8 aperture, quad pixel technology, 2 megapixel macro camera, which has a f2.4 aperture. So yeah. Rear camera video software, macro video, dual capture video, slow motion video, time lapse with hyperlapse, video stabilization, video snapshot. Rear camera software has ultra res, dual capture, night vision, macro vision, portrait mode, pro mode with long exposure, spot color, digital zoom up to 8 times, artificial intelligence, auto small capture, Google Lens integration. Other features include assistive grid, leveler, watermark, barcode scanner, birdshot, raw photo output, timer, live filter, HDR, active photos, quick capture, tap anywhere to capture. It has a 8 megapixel front facing camera with an f2.0 aperture. The front camera records in Full HD at 30 frames. The rear camera records in Full HD at 30 frames. That's the main camera. And you guys can also do slow motion videos at 720p at 120 frames per second. There is no 4K video on this phone, so keep that in mind. The front facing camera software, you guys have dual capture, pro mode with long exposure, auto, night vision, portrait, spot color, artificial intelligence, auto smile capture, gesture capture. Other features include face beauty, screen flash, burst shot, timer assistive grid, watermark, leveler, selfie camera, selfie photo mirror, HDR, live filter, active photos, selfie animation, raw photo output, tap anywhere to capture, front camera video software is dual capture, time lapse and hyperlapse. It has face beauty and video snapshot as well. Audio has dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, 3.5mm headphone jack, and has 2 microphones. The experience, you guys will get a MyUX experience, which is kind of like stock Android a little bit. Personalized design, you guys will get themes, wallpaper, display, peak display, attentive display, gesture, quick capture, flashlight, 3-finger screenshot, flip to do not disturb, pick up to silent, left to unlock, swipe to split, media controls, game time, taking a tour, what's new in Android 13. Connectivity options, it has 4G on here. Does not mention nothing about 5G on here, which is interesting. It has 4G, 3G, and 2G and whatnot. It does not have NFC, so you cannot do Google Pay on here. It takes a nano SIM card, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 802.11, ABG and then AC, dual band Wi-Fi, GPS and whatnot. What comes in the box is your Moto G Stylus 2020. Moto G Stylus 2023 smartphone in the box, along with the charger, Type-C cable, SIM tool, and your guides and whatnot. So they send itself in the box there. Carrier compatibility, which I'm assuming all these carriers will get this one. I'm assuming. I'm assuming all these carriers will get this one. I'm assuming. It says Boost not supported, which is interesting. Xfinity Wireless not supported. That's the unlocked version. This is the unlocked version that you guys are looking at here. So if you guys buy the unlocked Moto G Stylus, you guys can use them on these carriers here that are supported. So you can't use them on Boost, according to this, Republic Wireless, Ting, Xfinity Mobile, Visible, Ultra Mobile, Total Wireless, yeah, so it's available on most carriers if you guys buy the unlocked version. But I do think the Boost will get this right. I don't see why they would not. If you guys see it not supported on the screen there, don't freak out. I'm sure that this carrier will get this phone. I think every carrier will get this phone. So yeah, so Boost will get this phone. Xfinity Mobile will get this phone as well and whatnot. Straight Talk will get it. So yeah. So as just showing you guys all the different carrier compatibilities if you guys buy the unlocked version. So that is really cool. So yeah, there you guys have the Moto G Stylus 2023 is now here. It comes out May 5th. Today is May 3rd when I'm recording this video here. That is a date for the that's the date for the unlocked version of the phone. So I don't know when they'll go to the other. I don't know when it will go. I don't know when it will go to carrier. So keep that in mind. You can buy this one starting Friday. So if you guys are looking to get a budget smartphone with the stylus pen, the Moto G stylus is the one to check out here. This is the 2023 version. So yeah, this one only has 4G on it. So surprised it don't have 5G on it, which is interesting. So yeah, not bad for a budget phone, but you know, very nice looking phone too. So there you go. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.